As you can see, that's the old car park. This is the new car park. Today we are taking a walk around Accra International Airport, which is located in Ghana. The airport is undergoing, renovation, which is going to cost Ghana $50 million, and the project is going to be completed around December 2026 to get it ready for the dirty December. So today I decided to come out and see how the project is going, take a walk around and see how it's going down here at the Accra International Airport. Since I came, I've seen that there is some ongoing projects there, so we're going to take a walk today around the airport. So let's take a walk and see. Yeah, make sure you subscribe to this channel if this is your first time coming across my video. So this is the Accra International Airport. Now this is Terminal 2. We have Terminal 3 and Terminal 2. So this is it. And I think when they finish, this project is going to be very, very, very beautiful. Yeah, it's going to be very, very, very beautiful. Just look at these structures over here. It's very, very nice. Like, it's very, very beautiful. And I think we are going to have one of the best airports, in Africa. Looking at the way that they are working, yeah. So check out these buildings. You see, all the way this one. That is it. So today, our walk is going to be around this place. We will walk around the airport today to see how it's going. So, yeah, this is it. So that is one of the structures that they are renovating. Yeah. And the car park is here. So check out this one. I think they are working on it. It's been like 1 year since I came here, and I can see some changes down here. Yeah, I can see a lot of changes down here. So I think when you take this side, you are going to Terminal 3. Yeah, that is more like the international, where the international landing is. And these are some of the structures. Yeah, you can see they are working on it. So we will take a walk to the other side. Check out this one. I think it's going to be very, very huge. Yeah. So these are some of the structures that they are putting in place, and like I said earlier, it is estimated to be, completed by December 2026, and it's going to cost around $50 million when you check online. So these are some of the renovations going on. You can see from here. And the surprising thing is there's construction going on, but here is really quiet. Yeah, there's one over there. Let me get closer. You guys will see. There's an ongoing, work. They are placing some stickers on the wall to show how the airport is going to look like. So these are some of the projects that are going on. Pause. So we are at the arrival now. So basically, when it's done, this is how it's going to be. Okay, so now we are going to head to the departure section of the airport. Now let me show you guys. This side, this is the new car park. This side is the new car park. Yeah, this is the new car park at the Accra International Airport, and the old car park is over there, which I'm going to show you guys. That is Emirates Airlines going. So let me stand here and I will show you guys. Yeah, so this used to be the car park. This used to be the car park. Now they are working on it, and you can see they are building new structures all over here. New structures. Yeah, so this is the renovation going on currently at the Accra International Airport. You can see they are working. So yeah. Let me hurry up. So this side is the departure.